What's up, YouTube? Today I've got a customer build here. He sent his compact model in with these scales for me to add the orange G10 liners. Made those myself. And then also acid etch and brass wash all the tools. Let's get into it here. We've got the scissor. The combo can and bottle opener. We've got the large blade. Corkscrew with the slotted tip eyeglass driver here. And the parcel hook. And on the compact model, it does have the file on the back of the parcel hook. Just a quick video here. That's about it. If you guys like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.